Everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know how you can check your ANZ credit card balance. So in order to check your ANZ credit card balance, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in anz.com and log into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you could go ahead and select the credit card for which you want to view the balance history. So you could go ahead and tap on it, and then you can press the I button. You can see the balance. Or else you could also go to balance and transaction page. In the first page you see when you're logged into your internet banking, and it shows the current balance for each of your linked ANZ account. And from this page you can also search your transaction history up to 120 days. You can view your credit card statement and your current interest and your interest and charge history. So that is how you can check your ANZ credit card balance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.